Okay, I'm sandwiched between my favorite vitamins, and I wanted to talk about doTERRA's #1 selling product, the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So these supplements have given me more energy, less pain, better hair, better skin, better nails, and they've helped with mood and all these things. I used to spend so much money at a health food store for really good supplements, and they did nothing. These ones, when I started taking them, I noticed a difference pretty quickly. So I want to there's been some questions on how to take these, and so there will be directions directly on the bottle or when you get the box, but I do encourage you to start slow. Everybody's different at where they're starting with in terms of like how many toxins are in your body, and so you might need to go through a bit of a detoxification process, in which case I would start slow. So I would start with 1 vitamin of each. So they come in a 3-pack. You've got the Alpha CRS, the Microplex VMZ, and the Omega, right? The fish oil, the XE Omega. So the normal serving is to take 2 of each 2 times a day. But because you want to start slow, what may happen when your body is detoxifying is you might experience headaches or you might experience some stomach upset. And so if you start slow, then you may be able to skip that or bypass it. I didn't have an issue at all. In fact, these supplements are infused with essential oils that actually help tame the tummy. So you will likely be fine, but again, I don't want you to start off all the way, not feel great, and then blame it on the supplements. So start with 1 of each at breakfast or lunch, and I encourage you to take it with food, and then give that a couple of days, and then on day 2, or day 3, then you're gonna start with 1 at breakfast and then 1 at lunch. So you'll up it up to 2 servings a day of each, okay? And then after 3 or 4 days of doing that, then you can increase it to the full dose. And again, the dosage is gonna be on the bottles or on the box that you get. So what I do is I take 2 of each in the morning and then 2 of each at lunch. So I am taking the full dose. And again, I do have a sensitive stomach and I've had no issue with these vitamins. So decide what you're comfortable with. You can just continue at 1 serving a day. You can go to 2. You can do the full. See what feels right for your body, okay? But I would ease into the process. And so this is called the Lifelong Vitality Supplements, and we call it LLV for short. So if you see that in future posts or videos as LLV, you'll know what we're talking about. And it's actually doTERRA's #1 selling product. And it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you could just try them risk-free and see how you're feeling. So I don't know of anybody who has sent them back, but there is that guarantee. So that's it. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.